Winter can be a tough time for our indoor plants, with short days, cold temperatures, low humidity, and limited sunlight. But don't worry, we've got some essential tips to help you keep your houseplants alive and thriving during the winter months. Number 1. Track sunlight. Place your plants in the sunniest spot of your home and rotate them periodically so that all sides get sun rays and grow evenly. But remember, avoid keeping plants too close to frosty windows. Number 2. Modify your watering schedule. In winter, plants don't grow rapidly, so reduce watering. Check the watering levels of your plant by inserting a finger into the topsoil. If it feels dry to an inch or two beneath the surface, then it's time to water the plant. Number 3. Raise humidity. Humidity drops to around 10% in winter, whereas plants need around 40% to live well. But you can maintain it by placing a humidifier close to your plants, putting your plants in a bowl filled with water and pebbles, or misting them. Number 4. Get rid of pests. Monitor the leaves, particularly the undersides, and the soil weekly. If you observe sticky spots on the foliage, it may signal a pest infestation. If all other remedies fail, you can consider using insecticidal soap or neem oil. Number 5. Skip fertilizer. Winter is a resting period for many plants, so stop the use of fertilizer till early spring. Number 6. Wiping the foliage. Dust accumulates on the plant leaves in winter, creating difficulty for them to photosynthesize. Wipe the leaves with a soft, damp cloth regularly. Number 7. Maintain the temperature. Try to provide warmth. Above 50 degrees Fahrenheit is fine, and ideally, the indoor temperature should be between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Number 8. Provide artificial light. Add artificial light when it begins to get too dark. Placing them under growing lights will help them to survive well in winter. Number 9. Remove plants from the windowsill at night. During the day, plants on the windowsill and shelves remain warm, but in the nighttime, cold drafts can damage them. So if you live in a really cold climate, change the position of your indoor plants after the evening if they're close to windows and doors. We hope you found this video informative. If you enjoyed it and want to see more, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy gardening!